always relied on traditional security measures to keep us protected while working in the office. Today, we connect to the internet from anywhere to get our jobs done and be more productive than ever. In this new way of working, we have many new opportunities, but at the same time, we face much more digital threats. While we are still getting used to new tools and ways of communication, threats have evolved to make use of our digital activities, our distractions, and the inevitable mistakes we make along the way. Every day, we produce huge amounts of data during our workflow, data that is sensitive and valuable, and thus becomes a target for cybercriminals, hackers whose goal is to steal and take advantage from us. In a complex cybersecurity landscape with ever-evolving attack techniques, it is increasingly hard to stay protected with a one-stop solution. A variety of attacks, phishing, social engineering, DDoS, ransomware, require a mix of security solutions and an individual approach, dependent on your specific business. With more than 18 years of experience in data protection and cybersecurity, we can help you find the best way to stay compliant and cyber safe.